Good morning, students. Welcome to the class Mathematics. Now we start the some solved example of integers. First example, minus 41 into 103. If we multiply directly 41 into 103, then calculation will become typical. So we use the distributive property. We distribute the 103, 100 plus 3. Now we solve the sum easily. First we multiply 41 into 100, then plus sign, we write plus sign, then 41 multiplied by 3 like this. 41 minus 41 into 100 minus 4100. 41 multiplied by 3 we get minus 143, because plus minus minus, we know if both sign are same then it become plus, but two sign are different, it become minus. Then we follow the rule, same sign hai, then we add the both integer and write the sign of greater digit. That means we write the minus sign and after adding 4223. Same, next sum is also part of distributive property. 625 into minus 35 plus minus 625 into 65. In both the part, same common digit is 625. We write 625 as you wish, minus या plus. If we write minus, then 35 we write the plus, because minus is outside the bracket. Plus का sign. Then minus 25 outside the brackets, then 65 is left in bracket. After solving 35 plus 65 is 100, then we multiply 625 into 100 and write the minus sign. If we multiply directly in both parts, it become difficult, so we use the distributive property. Next, simple part of integer, compare left hand side, right hand side. We solve the left hand side firstly. Left hand side part, minus 3 plus 13 minus 15. Two digits are negative and one digit are positive. So first of all we add the same digit, same sign digit, minus 3 minus 15. That means minus 3 minus 15 minus 18 and plus 13. If we have two different sign, we operate the minus, because if we have two different sign, we operate minus greater digit minus smaller digit. 18 minus 13 5, and sign we write the sign of greater digit. 18 is greater, so we write the minus. And right hand side, two digit are positive, one digit are negative, so first both add the positive digit, then we subtract, because one digit is positive, one digit is negative. If we have two different sign, we apply the subtraction. Subtraction, greater digit minus smaller digit. 33 minus 27, we got 6, and write the sign of greater digit. Greater digit is 33, so we write the minus sign. Up we compare minus 6 and minus 5. Minus 6 is greater or smaller? Most of the students says minus 6 is greater, but no, minus 6 is smaller, because if we move the left side of the number line, then the digit becomes smaller. So minus 6 is left side of the minus 5, so minus 6 is the smaller. Next example, minus 17 into 0 into minus 28. We write only 0. We know that, because if we multiply by 0 any digit, then we get the answer is 0, not multiplied like this and this. We write directly 0. Next is word problem. In a class test containing 12 questions, 5 marks are given for every correct answer and minus 2 marks are given for every incorrect answer, and 0 marks are given for not attempted. That means if you correct answer, you got 5 marks. If you incorrect answer, you got minus 2 marks. First part, Priya get 7 correct answer and 5 incorrect answer. What is her total score? First we solve the first part. Riya gets 7 correct answer and 5 incorrect answer. So Riya score 7 into 5 because 5 marks for correct answer, and plus total score के लिए we use the sign of plus 5 into minus 2 because minus 2 for incorrect answer marks. तो 35 5 to the 10 minus का, तो 35 minus 10 two different sign, we solve by the minus 35 minus 10 25 marks. That means Riya score is 25 marks. Next example, Sachin got 5 correct answer if he scored 11 marks. In this question we have score of Sachin 11 marks and correct answer. How many questions he answer incorrect? If total questions number are not given, then first Sachin score 11 marks. Let incorrect answer is X. Marks for correct answer, 5 question correct, 5 marks for correct answer, 5 into 5 25 marks. Marks for incorrect answer, incorrect question is X into minus 2, to minus 2x marks. And Sachin scored, mark for correct answer, mark for incorrect answer, and Sachin score is 11. Now we solve this equation, find the value of X. We write the variable in this house and constant. Left hand side we solve the constant parts. 11 minus 25 because plus 25, yeah, minus 25 minus 2x, that means plus minus, we solve minus smaller digit from the greater digit, and minus 2x, minus 2 is multiplied with variable. After this we divided this, minus 14 divided by minus 2, we get the 7, that means 7 incorrect answer. Clear? Next part we solve rearrangement property using the property of rearrangement. If we multiply directly, then calculation become typical, so we solve by the rearrangement. We know that 8 into 125 is 1000, so we write 8 and 125 in one bracket into 53. We know that 125 into 8 1000 and minus sign into 53, negative sign, because in multiplication we have the odd numbers of minus, then answer will be minus. So multiply by this, we got the minus 53,000 is the answer. This sum is easily solved by the rearrangement, your regrouping property. Next part is we solve the sum of board mass using the rule of board mass. We know that first we solve the line bracket, number 2 पे common bracket, number 3 पे curly bracket, and last we solve the rectangular bracket. In this question we have all brackets. So first of all we solve the line bracket. So 7 minus 5 2 and remaining digit are same. नंबर 2 पे हम सॉल्व करेंगे कॉमन ब्रैकेट, तो 4 minus 2 2 and all the digits are remaining same. And in this curly bracket we have two operation, plus minus. So first of all solve we division, after multiply then we solve multiply. So first we solve the division, so that means we solve this part, 30 divided by 2 is 15, and then add 11 plus 15 is 26, and then we solve the rectangular bracket and remaining digit are same. 8 minus 26 is minus 18, then before bracket minus and minus minus will become plus. 5 to the 10 and plus 18, answer is 28. Clear? So it is very important we follow the rule of board mass. Next is the last example. Most important topic is, if sum of two integer is minus 10, we read the statement carefully and one of them is 2, find the other. Let the other integer is x. Sum of two integer, one is 2 and other is x, and sum is minus 10. For finding the value of x, we shift the 2 in right hand side. If 2 is plus 2, so this interchange in minus 2, and minus 10 minus 2, they are the same sign, we apply add but sign with the greater digit. 10 and 2 12, 10 plus 2 12, and sign is minus, because we know that if we have the two same signs, then we add and write the sign of greater digit. Okay, clear students? Thank you.